So, according to ChatGenius, cats are pretty smart. Let's test that. Here we have Tom. He's a cute cat, but not an intelligent one. Yet. Let's give Tom an AI brain based on reinforcement learning and let him learn on his own how to do anything, like solving a 2D platformer, for example. So the way the algorithm works is whenever Tom makes a mistake, like falling off the platform, we punish him, and whenever he makes a good action, like finishing the level, we reward him. In order to see the environment, Tom shoots some rays in a circle around his body. When a ray hits an object, he becomes aware of its presence. With all that said, let's see how he can handle a simple level. Just walk forward to reach the exit. Yeah, it will take some time for him to understand how to even move. Around 10 minutes later, and we've got this. Okay, that was pretty straightforward. Let's move on. Let's introduce jumping. And that's not how you should jump. So the way reinforcement learning works is by trial and error, so we'll just need to give him more time to figure out how to maximize the reward. Which in this case is defined by the distance to the door. The closer you get to the door, the higher the reward you get. The movement looks a bit chaotic, but that is because we're training Tom by allowing him to make 500 actions in a second, but only displaying 24 frames per second, which gives him the effect of teleporting around the scene. This one took a bit under an hour and is looking good. Tom now correctly jumps off the platform without falling and he's heading directly to the door. With this third level, we've introduced more complexity. Now the door is locked and Tom needs to first find and then press the button to unlock it. Let's see how it goes. We changed the reward function to accommodate pressing the button by also taking into account the distance between Tom and the button. After 30 minutes, Tom is trying his best. Still struggling to jump correctly, as the space to reset the jump and get to the second platform is quite narrow. Let's give him more time. Another half an hour of training passed. Let's take a look. I think Tom just found out that if he doesn't make the jump, there is no way back up. Tough luck, buddy. Seems like Tom is escaping in almost all of the iterations, so let's take a closer look. He's making good jumps and reaching the button, but still is a bit inefficient when it comes to jumping down to the door. Let's say it's good enough. Alright, in this level we've introduced spikes. Pretty simple concept, you touch them, you die. Let's go straight into training this time, and that's a bit strange, but I think I can fix that. What the f... Tom? Are you okay? You've got to be kidding me. After some hours I've got it fixed, so let's leave it alone to run a bit. Did you see that? Let's watch it again. I'm not kidding when I'm saying that we only got this far after an hour of training. This is really gonna take a lot of time. Good, this one looks almost done. It's been like 3 hours already? Let's watch it in action. In the end, this level wasn't that impossible for our smart AI. He mastered how to jump across the main platform and over the spikes, and he's even using the classic mechanic of jumping and hitting his head off the ceiling to gain speed. Additionally, he also learned some pretty nice jukes to buffer his jump off the platform to not fall down. That's some good progress you've got there, Tom. Here you go. In the next episode, we'll try to test crazier levels and we'll work a bit on fine-tuning so it's not so wanky. So do check it out. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe because it's really helping us. See you next time!